Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today for this video I'm going to be doing a room tour. So I'm just going to show you guys all the decorations that I put together for my bedroom. By the way, by the time you guys see this video, it's going to be 2024, and I'm currently filming this video in 2023. Since I already recorded everything and I have the clips, I just decided to put together the clips and make a video for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna showcase all the stuff that I got for Christmas as far as like my bedroom, the decorations that I have, and yeah, so enjoy the video. All right, so this is my door. This is where I have my purses and my bags. Here's my TV stand. So I just have like my bear, and I have a stocking right here, and my TV. I have a candle lit. So I'm just gonna quickly just show you guys like where I got some of my stuff. So this is my IKEA drawer, so I have I got this from obviously IKEA, and I forgot the name of it, but I'll have like the names like either on the screen or like the description box of like where I got each item. So that's that, and it's just a makeup drawer. I just have like different things in there. I actually labeled it too. And I got these like little stickers from Amazon, by the way. Oh crap. Oh, so and I have nails in here, and actually supposed to have something else in here, but I think I'm cleaning those, like my makeup brushes. But yeah, and the rest of it's just like clothes and stuff. So this is my wall. Next to my bed, I just have some vines that I got from Shein. Oh yeah, by the way, I meant to show you guys this clock that I got, and I think I got this from Amazon. So these lights I got from Shein as well, not Shein, sorry, Amazon. And then I have that picture frame, which I got from Home Goods. And I'm trying not to get to the bed really quick. Okay, so I got this mirror from, I think, Marshalls or Burlington. And it's just a full body mirror. And I have my, I forgot what this thing is called, teddy bear. And I got this from Amazon. Carpet I got from Amazon, I think. No, Wayfair. I got this carpet from Wayfair, I think. If I remember, I'll just have it on the screen or something. And then here is my, what do you call this, dresser. So I have a picture frame. I have these LED lights. I got that from Home Goods, and I got this plant from, I think, oh, I have it down here. No, I don't. Okay. I think I got this from either Burlington or Marshalls. And then this candle I got from Burlington or Marshalls. And then this is from Home Goods, and it's just like a room spray. It's really good. And this, I don't even remember where I got this from. I think someone got this for me actually. But I just have like my clothes and stuff in here. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys my curtains. I got these from Burlington. And Burlington, they have really nice curtains. Like these metallic curtains, and I got this. This is really old, but I think I got this from Burlington as well. I don't even know where I got this from. Yeah, and then I have this fan, which I think I got from Amazon, and someone actually got this for me as well. Yeah, and then this is my nightstand. I'm trying not to show too much, but yeah, so nightstand, I have this mirror, which I got from Burlington. All right, so I turn on the lights so you guys can kind of see it better. So this is my vanity area, and these lights I got from Amazon. And then I got this mirror from Amazon as well. I got, what is this? Oh yeah, candle, I think either Burlington or Marshalls. And then this is my Christmas tree. which I got from Walmart, and I got all the decorations from Walmart as well. It's really pretty. So it has lights, goes on and off. Oh yeah, I have to turn this back on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's that. And this chair, it's really old, but I don't even know where I got it from. Pillowcase is from Amazon, and I actually painted this table, so it didn't come this way. I painted it white. The original color, I think, was like a tan color or cream color, or no, it was like a dark gray color. And I got this plexiglass from Home Depot. What else? And yeah, I think that's it as far as the vanity goes. There's not really much to show, but moving on to the nightstand. I got this nightstand from Amazon, and I got the lamp from, I think, Burlington. And again, either Burlington or Marshall's. I thought I had the price tag on here, but I guess I took it off. I got these little, I forgot what it's called, but I got them from Amazon. Coasters. I just remember it. Yeah, I got these from Amazon, and then, yeah, I guess I need to clean up some more. And then moving on to the bed. Oh yeah, by the way, I have this up here. I got the shelves from Amazon, and I got the plants from, I can't remember anything, you guys. I think I got the plants from Home Depot. Like I said, I'll have everything either on the screen or in the description. And I got the candle from Marshall's, and yeah. And the vines, which I think I told you guys, Shein. I have my vines up here. And I just have them all around. The picture frames are from Amazon, and so are the pictures. And then I have my stockings, which I got from Hobby Lobby. Black and white, which is a theme I have going on. Black, white, and gray. And here is the bed. So I got this bed from Amazon. This is a full size, by the way. I got this from Walmart. And this sheet set I got from TJ Maxx, I think. The pillowcases I got from Amazon. The gray and the white, both from Amazon. This is a 26 by 26. And I got this pillow from Burlington. It's a throw pillow. And then the comforter, so you guys can see, I got that from Marshall's. And they actually had like a ombre, like a white and gray, which I'm probably gonna get soon, maybe for like the springtime. So it's like an all gray bed. This is a light gray bed, by the way. And then I have this throw blanket I got from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. So that is that. And my room is very small, so there's not much to show. But yeah, so that's it. I think I showed you guys everything. And I'm just gonna stand to the corner so you guys can like get a good look at everything. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this. I got this poster or canvas from Burlington. There was like one in there, and I just grabbed it, and I thought it was really pretty, and I went with my theme. And this candle I got from a friend. It's shepherd's tail. It's made in Washington. This I got from somebody. And this teddy bear I actually got from Amazon. And I got that from Home Goods. That picture frame. But I think, yeah, that's it. So, oh yeah, I'll show you guys how everything looks. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.